Hi guys, my name is Mark Justin Gabiola, grade 11, Unit 2, Section Jan. So now, I will explain what is pronouns and what are the types of pronouns. Pronouns are words that act as noun, replacement, reducing, and enhancing linguistic flow. Pronouns improve the coherence of the sentence by substituting for specific noun. Types of pronoun. First, personal pronoun represent specific person or things and are based on their grammatical person. The three categories are: first person, refers to the speaker or speakers. Second person, refers to the person of people being spoken to. Third person, refers to the person or thing being discussed. Example: she is going to the store. The pronouns is she. Demonstrative pronoun point to specific items or individual in a sentence. The primary examples are this, that, this, and those. Example: I preferred this book over that one. The pronoun is that. Interrogative pronoun introduce question and seek information. Common examples are who, was, what, and which. Example: who is coming to the party? The pronoun is who. Relative pronoun link dependent clauses to main clauses, providing additional information about a noun. Example: who, was, which, and that. Example: the person who called you is waiting outside. The pronoun is who. Indefinite pronoun refer to non-specific people, places, or things. Common examples are all, anyone, none, some, and several. Example: everyone enjoyed the concert. The pronoun is everyone. Possessive pronouns indicate ownership or possession. Examples are mine, yours, his, her, its, our, and their. Example: the word car is mine. The pronoun is mine. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence and emphasize that the action affects the subject itself. Example: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, and themselves. Example: she looked at herself at the mirror. The pronoun is herself. Intensive pronoun, identical in form to reflexive pronoun, emphasize a preceding noun in a sentence but are not essential to the sentence meaning. So that's all guys. I hope you learned something.